And on the notes of this beautiful song entitled Beautiful Life of Ace of Base Group 1995, I welcome you to my channel, The Italian Guy. Today is the third and last video about pasta. I have been experimenting pasta so far, and I made up another dough that is free from dairy, because the previous video was about mozzarella, but some people are lactose intolerant, or for any reason they don't want to eat fresh cheese. So here it is. I experimented another dough with almond flour, and I'm very happy to share it with you. So please follow me in the preparation of the recipe. So let's begin. We need 100 grams of almond flour, the best flour so far in keto recipes. 2 teaspoons of xantan gum. Wow, a lot of dust. I'll show you the size of the teaspoon I used. What else? A little bit of salt to taste, of course. Yeah, and now we are ready to combine well the drying ingredients so that the salt and the xanthan gum spread all over the almond flour. A little bit of stirring. Take the lumps off. Yeah, just squeeze them if there are. Okay, and now we are ready to add the wet ingredient, the third and the last one, 1 egg. Okay, now I combine the egg. I speed up the video. Would be resulting too long otherwise. Those steps are quite boring. Yeah. Okay, the dough will be absorbing the egg very well. As you can see, the silicone mat is clean now. Yeah, keep kneading, and here we are, our beautiful dough to be shaped later. I'm going to put it in the cling film for roughly 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we are ready to work on it. I divide it in 4 pieces. But if you just have to shape tagliatelle, I suggest you to make a rectangular long stripe, a long layer, and overlap the pasta on itself more than once, so that you have a long rectangular pasta layer that you can just cut with for making tagliatelle. I had to do this because I have to shape different pasta. Okay, so I use the cling film roll this time. And the powder you see on your right is the coconut flour, not the grated one, the powder one. Or you can use psyllium husk powder or xanthan gum if you want. Just use any keto flour, and remember to sprinkle the dough often, because it will be it could be sticky. And here they are, our tagliatelle. I know that you English people can't pronounce the l, gl sound. We don't pronounce it gl. Tagliatelle. Okay, look how they are elastic now. Thanks to the xanthan gum. Yeah, they are flexible and elastic. You see, they don't break up. Yeah, the magic of the xanthan gum. You can use also psyllium husk if you want. I prefer not to make the dough too dark because of the psyllium husk, so I use the white powder, but feel free, of course. They are equivalent, I guess. Yeah, you see? The dough is really binding. Okay, job done. Now we shape the orecchiette from the region of Puglia. While you make the, how can I say, sausage, yeah, it will tend to break apart, so you have to squeeze it like you are seeing right now. A little bit of patience, keep rolling. The dough will break apart, you keep squeezing it, yeah, and at the end you will be able to have a long sausage that you can cut in smaller chunks and make the tagliatelle with this method. If you know any other way of making tagliatelle, just tell me. That's what I know. You use the point of the knife with a certain angle and you squeeze the chunk of the pasta dough. Then you put it upside down and you just use your fingers to give it a nice shape. Feel free to write it in the comment if you know any other way. I would be delighted to know if there is another trick to make orecchiette. That's it, another one. Yeah, when you have practice, when you keep doing that, it will be a result very easy, as in all things. When you do something at first, it's difficult, but when you keep doing it over and over, you will get used and you will be better in doing it. Okay, now is gnocchetti sardi. Gnocchetti sardi. There is a special tool for doing this, a kind of board with some I don't know how to say in English, lines. But if you don't have it, you can roll the piece of pasta, the chunk of pasta on the fork, as you can see, and you can roll it over. It's not difficult, as I said with the orecchiette. You need practice. The more you practice, the better you will do, like in all things in life. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you can use this way as well. Okay, never mind. Well, it was good. It's better when it's cooked. Yeah, okay, raviolo. I have to say that I took a lot of fun in making ravioli, because at first they could look difficult to realize because of the filling. You have to overlap the two pasta layers. Then you have to be careful that the filling does not go behind the borders, you know, does not overlap. But it was really the easiest one among all the pasta shapes I've done, even better than tagliatelle, even easier than tagliatelle. It was really funny and easy to make them. So you just have to be precise in cutting the pasta layer, because then otherwise you end up making a big raviolo that then is difficult to chew. Yeah. So this way I think is fine. Okay, now I put the filling on it. I chose pesto. Pesto filling. I really like pesto. And anyway, what else can you put inside? I would be glad to read in the comments. Just bacon, a cube of bacon, or you can put spinach and ricotta, or I don't know, ham, cooked ham with something else, maybe some bechamel, or just mushrooms. What about putting mushrooms in the raviolo? Anyway, that's it. We made our raviolo, our beautiful raviolo. Pay attention to seal the borders. They should be completely sealed so that the filling does not come out when cooking. You can use also a spoon, a teaspoon, to help this, but to do this. But I'm showing you. But with fingers, with thumbs, it was easy anyway. That's it. Our beautiful raviolo. Now we cook it. So I want to tell you that as soon as they float on the top, please drain them, otherwise they will break apart, like the gnocchi, the traditional gnocchi with potato. And here they are. I really like the way the almond flour kept the consistency. They didn't break apart, and you see it's just exactly like traditional pasta. Also the taste. That's it, guys. So here it is, the keto pasta. I dressed it with a pesto, and I have to say, the taste is pretty much the traditional pasta with gluten. Really. So that's the third and last video about pasta. I'm tired of experimenting pasta dough. I want to create more recipes about baking and meat, things like this. I have enough of pasta. I have been in keto for 18 months so far. I feel like a lion. I solved so many problems, physical problems, not so big deals, but some bothering problems, annoying problems, thanks to keto. And I will continue with keto until I pass away. So I don't feel the need of pasta. I'm not missing any pasta. But anyway, for those of you who are still in love with pasta, I hope that this recipe finally conquers you. Yeah, makes you happy. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it and which dressing have you used, and any suggestion to improve the recipe. They are really appreciated. So please subscribe to the channel. I'm about 600 subscribers so far. I want to reach 1000, and I definitely need your help. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.